sleep again, and yeah, I wake up again. Thank you very much. And yeah, there is a big truck at the back, as in very big, that big. Yeah, and it also looks new. The brand is a Kinward. Yeah, it's actually still early. It's 6:18. And this is how it is outside here. There is a actual toilet, but there are also some like a portable toilet. And these are some of the big trucks that you're going to encounter along the highway. Very hot. It is 110 kilometers an hour. Yeah, the road is 110 kilometers per hour. The speed maximum. More than that is illegal. But yeah, this is one of the first day that actually yesterday was the first day that I was driving 100 kilometers per hour in the road. Yeah, because previously when I was driving here, my speed limit was just 90 kilometers per hour. Rice cooking rice. I don't know from where is that. I don't want to stay in the back of this truck. Yeah, because I don't see the front. You know, the size of the truck is actually the size of the line. If you see the line, you move to the other side, and he's turning to the left side. You notice? Yeah, the engine switch off by itself. That is one of the features of this yeah, Volkswagen Transporter. But if I move my foot on the pedal, it will start to turn the engine again. And that feature is good in a place like this when there is always a lot of traffic lights. Maybe it saves fuel.
Caution, front car.
But actually switch it on with this button. So basically this Volkswagen Transporter is very opposite the function with the Suzuki Jimny. For example, the air coming from outside, yeah, it's automatic. But with the Suzuki Jimny, I need to press the button for the air to get inside. Yeah, the air circulation, you know. This is the first traffic light. Can I drink a coffee in the stoplight? I'm not sure. I just wanna leave this one forever. Thinking of a love to make it better. You are my angel, 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 baby, angel, angel.
Caution, front car.
Caution, front car. This is the one that is talking. Yeah, this camera. Not this one, but sometimes this also talks. Left, right, left, right. Yeah, that is what this says. But this one, front car. Shoot inside. You can see? Yeah, the camera, it turns to me and it's recording. Very nice. So it's a voice command operated.
Say command.
Also this one. Both of them voice command. Oh,
Say command.
shoot left. So you see the camera, it turns to the left. I'm actually going to the Westfield shopping center. We're going to look for hiking shoes because you are suggesting me to buy one and not use this for hiking. Very nice. I was actually coming from the road, and when I get inside here, yeah, they are 3 level of underground shopping. So ground, first, second, third, fourth, 4th floor. Nice. This is actually my very first time here in this shopping mall. I've been here but just on the side. We're going to check here in Platypus, but they usually have just not hiking shoes. So I actually been here just on this side, but never really explored the shopping mall. Just the food court. Yeah, I've been there, but they don't have much choices. I also been to the North Face outlet, but expensive. I don't know if they have here in Kathmandu. I like this one, and it's $239.
You don't actually realize how much it is.
And now we check here in Hype. You know, this Hoka is very light. Yeah, amazing. I think it's good for running or workout. I did not see anything that I like. Yeah, we're going somewhere. It says turn right at the traffic light. Yeah, I feel like there's no turn right over there. We are here in the car park of Bunnings Warehouse. I park here because I did not see the car park of Anaconda. Yeah, just next to this establishment. We are now out of the Bunnings car park, and we are going to walk to Anaconda. That's Ripco. I like this one. And it's a Michelin. And it's waterproof. Yeah, 187. Yeah, I got it. And it actually comes with a backpack. Nice. The lady actually said that there's no more stock. But then I asked if is there a possibility that I can come back once you have a supply, I can get it. Yeah, and she said, oh, I actually can give you the one on display. And now we are going to the campsite where I'm going to sleep tonight. It is now 12:10. Yeah, we are now in this area. I actually don't know the name of this place, but I am going to Cathay. Cattai. That's the name of the place. A camping ground. And this is a 1 hour drive coming from Sydney. Yeah, because the road is just 60 kilometers per hour. So that's the reason I think that's why it's 1 hour drive. Yeah, and it's kind of secluded, but along the way the houses are like a mansion. Yeah, you know, big space, and then beautiful house, one big house in one big space. Yeah, like mansions, a lot, all of them coming from that side. I don't know the name of the road. Marail, yeah, the name of the place. Yeah, and there is a convenience store here. I'm going to buy something. This is what I bought: egg and this. Yeah, I should buy this from the grocery, so it's cheaper. We are now inside of the Cathay National Park. Yeah, nice.
Arriving at Cathay Campground. On
Yeah,
the
you
left.
hear the sound? Cathay Campground. Already found a place to stay. Here, in front of this red lake. I don't know why this color red.